Depression and anxiety are more than just emotional experiences. They affect your whole being. Ayurveda views this condition as an imbalance in the doshas. Depression is predominated by Kapha dosha and anxiety occurs when the Vata dosha is increased. When these energies are disturbed, it can lead to excessive worry, sadness, or mental fog. Ayurveda offers a holistic way to gently restore emotional and mental balance. In Ayurveda, the term anxiety is often linked to increased Vata dosha. This can create feelings of overthinking, restlessness, and anxiety. Depression, on the other hand, is linked to increased kapha, which can lead to heaviness, fatigue, and lack of motivation. Sometimes, high pitta can cause emotional burnout and irritability. The goal is to calm these doshas through personalized care. Simple, consistent routines can bring big difference. Start your morning with pranayama. This can calm the mental chatter and emotional disturbance. What you eat also influences how you feel. Ayurveda encourages warm, nourishing, and easily digestible food that will help to support your mind. Herbal teas made with brahmi or tulsi can help in easing your mind. Avoid cold, processed, and heavy food as they can increase the mental dullness and emotional heaviness. Certain Ayurvedic therapies work deeply to restore the emotional balance. Shirodhara is one of the best treatments for this. It can be done with warm oil, milk decoctions, or buttermilk. This will help in calming your mind and nervous system. Abhyanga or full body oil massage will also help to ease the mental tension and body stress. Regularity in these treatments can bring profound relief. Healing takes time, and Ayurveda encourages small, mindful changes. Prioritize rest. Nourish your mind with positive thoughts and be kind to yourself. Whether you're facing anxiety, depression, or simply feeling overwhelmed, there is always a way to bring back balance and peace. It's about tuning into your body's wisdom and creating space for healing, one at a time.